Friends, this is a comprehensive compendium of a total of 63 prayers. 52 of them are Sanskrit, 10 in Tamil, and 1 in Hindi. I have collected this from my entire life experience as the only bottom line minimum that should be remembered by me till the last breath of my life. The text of these prayer slokas is already available along with their meanings and explanations on my website profvk.com under the title Text of the 63 Prayers in the form of 7 web pages. I shall now be video recording it on YouTube so that those seekers who want to learn the whole or any part of it with proper pronunciation and intonation may be helped. The record sessions with around 10 words each session. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Number 1, for Vinayaka. Vagishadya Sumanasaham Sarvarthanam Upakrame Yam Natva Kritakritya Syuhum Tam Namami Gajananam. Number 2 is for Subramanya. From Subramanya Bhujangam. Kumaresha Suno Guhaskandasena Pate Shakti Pade Mayuradhiruda Pulindatmaja Kanta Bhaktarthiharin Prabhotarakare Sadarakshamam Tvam. Number 3 is on Dakshinamurti as the Guru of all Gurus. This sloka is number 6 in Dakshinamurti Ashtakam. I have selected only one sloka from each prayer to cover all the comprehensive gurus and deities. Whenever a sloka is of a difficult Sanskrit, I shall repeat it twice. Once in the normal way, second time in a slow motion way, so that you can understand it. So here we go. Third sloka. Adi Shankaracharya's Dakshinamurti Ashtakam, number 6. Rahugrasta Divakarendu Sadrisho Maya Samachhadanat Sanmatra Karanopasamharanato Yobhut Sushuptah Puman Pragaswapsam Iti Prabodha Samaye Yah Pratyabhignayate Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye. Second time in slow motion. Rahugrasta Divakarendu Sadrisho Maya Samachhadanat Sanmatra Karanopa Samharanato Yobhut Sushuptah Puman Prag Aswapsam Iti Prabodha Samaye Yah Pratyabhignayate Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye. That is number 3. Number 4. Number 4 is a standard Vedanta sloka. It applies to all gurus. Nityanandam Paramasukhadam Kevalam Jnanam Vishwatitam Gagana Sadrasham Tattvam सर्वस्यादि लक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. The meaning is full of Vedanta content. One of the most excellent slokas for Guru. So 4 are over. Number 5. Number 5, I come to the Guru Parampara of Shankaracharya. Sada Shiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmate Acharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. So we have made namaskar to entire Guru Parampara. Now I come to number 6, which is a very personalized sloka for my father, who is my Guru, so to say. So here we go. Yoginam Vishwanathakyam Asmattata Swarupinam Atmalabhat Param Labham Param Nakadachana Gita-artha Grantakartaram Shri Gurum Pranamamyaham Yontah Pravishya Mevacham Dhritim Buddhim Prachodayat. I will do it a second time because it may be difficult for you. It was composed by me as a pranam to my father, who is my Guru always. Yoginam Vishwanathakyam Asmattata Swarupinam Atmalabhat Param Labham Vaktaram Nakadachana Gita-artha Grantakartaram Shri Gurum Pranamamyaham Yom Tah Pravishya Yaha Antah Pravishya Mevacham Dhritim Buddhim Prachodayat. So that is number 6. Number 7 now come to Vaidishwara, Vaidyanatha of Vaidishwaran Kovil. This happens to be my Kula Devata. The sloka itself has a Vedantic content. You can read the meaning on my website. So, Vedanta Vidyaya Jaganmayaya Yogeshwara Dhyaya Padambujaya Trimurti Rupaya Sahasranamne Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya. Once more. Vedanta Vidyaya Jaganmayaya Yogeshwara Padambujaya Trimurti Rupaya Sahasranamne Shri Vaidyanataya Namah Shivaya. Then we take up a sloka, Venkateshwara Suprabhatam. I have taken a sloka in which only names of the Lord are there. Shri Padmanabha Purushottama Vasudeva, Shri Padmanabha Purushottama Vasudeva, Vaikunta Madhava Janardana Chakrapane, Vaikunta Madhava Janardana Chakrapane, Srivatsachin Saranagata Parijata, Srivatsachin Saranagata Parijata, Shri Venkatachalapate Stava Suprabhatam, Shri Venkatachalapate Stava Suprabhatam, Pranatosmi Nityam, Pranatosmi Nityam. Once we have the sloka on Vishnu, we have to have all the Bhagavatas, famous devotees of the Lord. Prakladanarada Parashara Pundarika Yasambarisha Shukashaunaka Bhishmadalbyam Rukmangadarjuna Vibhishana Yudhishthiraadin Punyaniman Paramabhagavatam Smarami Paramabhagavatam Namami. Either Smarami or Namami, both are right. Once more. Prakladanarada Parashara Pundarika Yasambarisha Shukashaunaka Bhishmadalbyam Rukmangadarjuna Vibhishana Yudhishthiraadin Punyaniman Paramabhagavatam Namami. Number 10. Saraswati, goddess of speech. Durbhiryukta Chaturbhis Patika Manimayim Akshamalam Dadhanam Hastenekena Patmam Sitam Apicha Shupam पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दु शङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सौमेव देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना. Once more, because it is little difficult. Purviyukta Chaturbi Spatikmani Mayim Akshamalam Daddam Hastena Ekena Padmam Sitamapi cha Shukam Pustakam cha Aparena Bhasa Kundendu Shankha Spatika Maniniba Bhasamana Samana Saume Vagdevata Yam Nivasatu Vadane Sarvada Suprasanna. I stopped there today, 10 slokas. So every video will have 10. There will be 6 sessions, 6 into 10, 63 slokas are there. Last date there will be 30. Thank you. Video number 2 of the 63 prayers. So now we are going to have slokas 11 to 20. Number 11 is on Valmiki. Pujantam Rama Rameti Madhuram Madhuraksharam Aruhya Kapita Shakam Vande Valmiki Kokilam. The next one is on Vyasa, sage Vyasa. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullara Vindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajwalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha. Once more. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullara Vindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajwalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha. Next is on sage Shuka, the one who recited the Bhagavatam. Yam Prabrajantam Anupetam Apetakatyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhav Putreti Tanmayataya Taravobhinedu Tam Sarvabhuta Hridayam Munim Anatosmi. Once more. Yam Pravrajantam Anupetam Apetakatyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhav Putreti Tanmayataya Taravobhinedu Tam Sarvabhuta Hridayam Munim Anatosmi. Number 14. Namastasmaina Bhagavate Vasudevaya Vedase Papurjnanamayam Saumyaham Yanmukam Buruha Savam. This is a sloka which accelerates your spiritual understanding. Namastasmai Bhagavate Vasudevaya Vedase Papu Jnanamayam Saumyaham Yanmukam Buruha Savam. The next one is on Lord Nataraja of Chidambaram. Kripa Samudram Sumukham Trinetram Jatadharam Parvati Vamabhagam Sada Shivam Rudramanantarupam Chidambaresham Hridi Bhavayami. Once more. Kripa Samudram Sumukham Trinetram Jatadharam Parvati Vamabhagam Sada Shivam Rudram Anantarupam Chidambaresham Hridi Bhavayami. The next is Meenakshi of Madurai. Shabda Brahmamayi Characharamayi Jyotirmayi Vangmayi Nityanandamayi Niranjanamayi Sattwamayi Chinmayi तत्त्वातीतमयी परात्परमयी मायामयी श्रीमयी सर्वैश्वर्यमयी सदाशिवमयी मां पाहि मीनाम्बिके. Let me go slow. शब्द ब्रह्ममयी चराचरमयी ज्योतिर्मयी वाङ्मयी नित्यानन्दमयी निरञ्जनमयी तत्त्वमयी चिन्मयी तत्त्वातीतमयी परात्परमयी मायामयी श्रीमयी सर्वैश्वर्यमयी सदाशिवमयी मां पाहि मीनाम्बिके. So that was for Meenakshi. The next one is for Kamakshi of Kanchi. Raka Chandra Samana Kanti Vadanam Nakadhirajastuta Mukanam Api Kurvati Suradhuni Nikasha Vagvaibhavam Srikanchi Nagari Vikara Rasika Shokapahantri Sata Eka Punya Parampara Vashupate Akarini Rajate. Once more. Raka Chandra Samana Kanti Vadana Naka Adhiraja Stuta Mukanam Api Kurvati Suradhuni Nikasha Vakvaibhavam Srikanchi Nagari Vikara Rasika Shokapahantri Sata Eka Punya Parampara Pashupate Akarini Rajate. The next one is in Tamil to Abhirami of Tirukkadayu. From Abhirami Antadi. Danam Tarum Kalvi Tarum Urunalum Talarvariya Manam Tarum Deiva Vadivam Tarum Nenjil Vanjamilla Yenam Tarum Nallana Ellam Tarum Anbar Enbavarke Kanam Tarum Pungudalal Abhirami Kadekangale. Once more. Danam Tarum Kalvi Tarum Urunalum Talarvariya Manam Tarum Deiva Vadivam Tarum Nenjil Vanjamilla Yenam Tarum Nallana Ellam Tarum Anbar Enbavarke Kanam Tarum Pungudalal Abhirami Kadekangale. That is number 18. Number 19 is again in Tamil from Upper, one of the four great Tamil saints. Ariyanai, this is for Nataraja of Chidambaram again. Ariyanai, Andanartham Chintayanai, Arumarayan Arattanai, Anuvai, Yarkum Teriyada Tattubanai, Tenai, Palai, Tigal Uliyai, Tevargal Tangonai, Matrai Kariyanai, Nanmuhanai, Kanalai Kaatrai, Kanai Kadalai, Kulavarai, Kalandanindra Periyanai, Pirumbatra Puviuranai, Peshadanalellam Piravanale. Once more. Ariyanai, Andanartham Chintayanai, Arumarayin Agattanai, Anuvai, Yarkum Teriyada Tattuvanai, Tenai Palai, Tigal Oliyai, Tevargal Tangonai, Matrai Kariyanai, Nanmuhanai, Kanalai Kaatrai Kanai Kadalai, Kulavarai, Kalandanindra Periyanai, Pirumbatra Pupiyuranai, Peshadanalellam Piravanale. The last one for today on Lord Mallikarjuna of Srisailam. This is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. It's supposed to be the most important. From Shankara's Shivananda Lahari. Sandhyarambha Vijrambitam Shrutisiraham Samantaradhishtitam Saprema Brahmarabhiramam Asakrit Sadvasana Shobhitam Bhugindra Samasta Sumanaham Pujyam Gunavishkritam Seve Shri Girimallikarjuna Lingam Shivalingitam. Slow motion. Sandhyarambha विजृंभितं श्रुतिशिखरः स्थानान्तराधिष्ठितम् सप्रेम भ्रमराभिराममसकृते सद्वासनाशोभितं भोगीन्द्राभरणं समस्तसुमनः पूज्यं गुणाविष्कृतं सेवे श्री गिरिमल्लिकार्जुनमहा लिंगं शिवालिंगितम् ओम। Friends, we are now going to have the third video in the series 63 prayers. We are going to deal with slokas 21 to 30. First two are in Tamil. The first one is for Triplicane, Madras, Triplicane Parthasarathi Swami. Here we go. வேதத்தை வேதத்தின் சுவைப்பயனை விழுமிய முனிவர் விழுங்கும் கோது இல் இன்கனியை நந்தனார்களிற்றை குவலயத்தார் தொழுதேத்தும் ஆதியை அமுதை என்னை ஆளுடை அப்பனை ஒப்பவரில்லா மாதர்கள் வாழும் மாடமாமயிலை திருவல்லிக்கேணி கண்டேனே. This is from Tirumangayalvar, Periya Tirumozhi on Parthasaratha Swami of Triplicane. Now we go slow. வேதத்தை வேதத்தின் சுவைப்பயனை விழுமிய முனிவர் விழுங்கும் கோது இல் இன்கனியை நந்தனார்களிற்றை குவலயத்தார் தொழுதேத்தும் ஆதியை அமுதை என்னை ஆளுடை அப்பனை ஒப்பவரில்லா மாதர்கள் வாழும் மாடமாமயிலை திருவல்லிக்கேணி கண்டேனே. The next one is also Tamil, number 22, Appar Thevaram. This is on Kapalishwarar temple in Mylapore. Appar Pannin Ishayahi நின்றாய் போற்றி பாவிப்பார் பாவம் அறுப்பாய் போற்றி என்னும் எழுத்தும் சொல் ஆனாய் போற்றி என் சிந்தை நீங்கா இறைவா போற்றி விண்ணும் நிலனும் தீயானாய் போற்றி மேலவர்க்கும் மேலாகி நின்றாய் போற்றி கண்ணின் மணியாகி நின்றாய் போற்றி கைலை மலையானே போற்றி போற்றி. Once more. பண்ணின் இசையாகி நின்றாய் போற்றி பாவிப்பார் பாவம் அறுப்பாய் போற்றி என்னும் எழுத்தும் சொல்லானாய் போற்றி என் சிந்தை நீங்கா இறைவா போற்றி விண்ணும் நிலனும் தீயானாய் போற்றி மேலவர்க்கம் மேலாகி நின்றாய் போற்றி கண்ணின் மணியாகி நின்றாய் போற்றி கைலே மலையானே போற்றி போற்றி. Number 23. We go to the west coast, Guruvayurappan. This is from Narayaniyam, 100th dashakam, almost the last sloka. Yogindranam tvadangesh adhikasumadhuram muktibhajam nivaso भक्तानां कामवर्ष द्युतरुकिसलयं नाथते पादमूलं नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपते कृष्णकारुण्यसिन्धो हत्वा निःशेषपापान् प्रदिशतु परमानन्द सन्दोहलक्ष्मीम्. Kindly see the meaning in the website. It is very fruitful. Once again. योगीन्द्राणां त्वदङ्गेषु अधिकसुमधुरं मुक्तिभाजां निवासो भक्तानां कामवर्ष द्युतरुकिसलयं नाथ ते पादमूलं नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपते कृष्ण कारुण्य सिंधो हत्वा हृत्वा निःशेषतापान् प्रदिशतु परमानंद संदोह लक्ष्मीम्. That is number 23. And we go to 24 now. 24 is we go north, Varanasi. Vishwanatha. Vishwesham Madhavam Dundim Dandapanam cha Bhairavam Vande Kashim Guham Gangam Bhavanim Manikarnikam. Vishwesham Madhavam Dundim Dandapanam cha Bhairavam Vande Kashim Guham Gangam Bhavanim Manikarnikam. The next one is for Raghavendra. Pujyaya Raghavendraya Satyadharmarataya cha Bhajatam Kalpavrikshaya Namatam Kamadhenave. Pujyaya Raghavendraya Satyadharmarataya cha Bhajatam Kalpavrikshaya Namatam Kamadhenave. The next one is 26. This is from Rama Karnamritam on Rama. The name Rama. How important is the name? Yannamaiva Sahasranama Sadrisham Yannama Vedai Samam Yannamankita Vakyam Asura Bada Stri Garbha Vichedakam Yannama Swapacharya Bedarahitam Mukte Sadadayakam Tannama Raghurama Nama Ramanam Sri Rama Namamritam. Once again in slow motion. Yannamaiva Sahasranama Sadrisham Yannama Vedai Samam Yannama Ankita Vakyam Asura Bala Stri Garbha Vichedakam Yannama Swapacharya Bedarahitam Mukte Sadadayakam Tannama Raghurama Nama Ramanam Sri Rama Namamritam. The next one you all know. Without that there cannot be any Rama Sloka. Here it is. Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. That is 27. But that reminds of a very famous sloka on Rama. Mata Ramo Matpita Ramachandro Bhrata Ramo Matsakha Ramachandra Sarvaswam me Ramachandro Dayalu Nanyam Devam Naiva Jane Na Jane. Once more. Mata Ramo Matpita Ramachandro Bhrata Ramo Matsakha Ramachandra Sarvaswam me Ramachandro Dayalu Nanyam Devam Naiva Jane Na Jane. After Rama, Hanuman has to come. So that is 29. Asadhya Sadhaka Swamin Asadhyam Tava Kim Vada Ramaduta Kripa Sindho Matkaryam Sadhaya Prabho Satkaryam Sadhaya Prabho. It's a beautiful prayer to Hanuman. Asadhya Sadhaka Swamin Asadhyam Tava Kim Vada Ramaduta Kripa Sindho Satkaryam Sadhaya Prabho. The last one for today is Madhusudhana Saraswati on Krishna. Dhyanavasthita Tadgatena Manasa Samnirgunam Nishkriyam Jyotih Kinchana Yogina Yadi Punaham Pashyanti Pashyantu Te Asmakam Tu Tadeva Lochana Chamatkaraya Bhuyat Chiram Kalindi Pulineshu Yat Kimapi Tam Nilam Tamo Dhavati. Once more. Dhyanavasthita Tadgatena Manasa tam nirgunam nishkriyam jyotih kinchana yogino yadi punaha pashyantu te अस्माकं तु तदेव लोचन चमत्काराय भूयाच्चिरं कालिन्दी पुलिनेषु यत्किमपि तं नीलं तमो धावति. Om Tat Sat for today. 21 to 30 are over. Thank you. Friends, this is the third video of my 63 prayers compiled by me. So we are going to do slokas 31 to 40 today. We begin with a sloka on Krishna's birth. It is from the Bhagavatam. This is the actual description of how he was seen just before his birth. Tamadbhutam balakam ambuchekshanam chaturbhujam shankagadatyudayudam Srivatsalaksham Galashobhikaustubam Pitambaram Sandrapayodhasaubhagam Maharha Vaidurgya Kirita Kundala Tushaparishvakta Sahasrakuntalam Uddhama Kanchangada Kankanadhibihi Virojamanam Darshaya Panduranga. The last two words are Vasudeva Aikshata in the original. Vasudeva saw that beautiful form of Krishna before he was born. So I changed it to Darsheva, show it to me Panduranga, and that way it is a prayer to Panduranga also. I brought in Panduranga in this list of 63. I will repeat the sloka once more because it is a difficult sloka, but most beautiful, majestic sloka. Tamadbhutam balakam ambujekshanam chaturbhujam shankagadaryudayudam Srivatsalaksham Galashobhikaustubham Pitambaram Sandra Payodhasaubhagam Maharha Vaidurgya Kirita Kundala Tusha Parishvakta Sahasrakuntalam Uddhama Kanchangada Kankanadhibi Virochamanam Darshaya Panduranga. That is number 31. 32 is from Vishnu Sahasranamam, sloka which gives the Vishwarupa of Bhagavan. Just immediately after that, Shantakaram Shirodana Pradeshi sloka. Next sloka. Bhuvpangado yasya nabihi viyadasura nilaschandra suryau chanetre karnavashaha shirodhyauh mukamapi dahano yasya vasteyamabdhigim antastham yasya vishwam suranarakagago bogi gandharvagaityaihi chitram ramyate tam tribhuvana vapusham Vishnumisham namami. Once more. Bhuvpado yasyana vedviyadasura niraschanda suryau chanetre karnavasha shirodyauh mukhamapi dahano yasya vasteyamabdhigim antastham yasya vishwam suranarakagago bogi gandharvadaityaihi chitram ramyate tam Tribhuvana Vapusham Vishnumisham namami. So we have had Rama earlier, Krishna now we are going to Shiva. 33. From Shiva Sahasranamam, similar sloka. Vande Shambhumumapatim Suragurum Vande Jagatkaranam Vande Pannakabhushanam Mrigadaram Vande Pashunam Patim Vande Surya Shashanka Vanninayanam Vande Mukunda Priyam Vande Bhakta Janashrayancha Varadam Vande Shivam Shankaram. Once more. Vande Shambhumumapatim Suragurum Vande Jagatkaranam Vande Pannakabhushanam Mrigadaram Vande Pashunam Patim Vande Surya Shashanka Vanninayanam Vande Mukunda Priyam Vande Bhaktajana Ashrayancha Varadam Vande Shivam Shankaram. This is followed by number 34. Shankaracharya's Shiva Manasa Puja. Atmatvam Girijamatihi Parijanaha Sahacharaha Pranashariram Griham Pujate Vishayopabhogarjana Nidra Samadhistitihi Sancharaha Padayoho Pradakshina Vidhi Stotrani Sarvagiro Yadyat Karma Karomi Tattadakhilam Shambho Tavaradhanam. You should read the meanings of these things because these meanings are excellent, tremendous. Atmatvam Girijamati Parijanaha Prana Shariram Griham Pujate Vishayopabhogarjana Nidra Samadhistitihim Sanchara Padayo Pradakshina Vidhihim Stotrani Sarvagiro Yadyat Karma Karomi Tattadakhilam Shambho Tavaradhanam. The next one, 35, is a sloka again of Shankaracharya from Shivananda Lakari. A beautiful prayer. Tatpadambujam Archayami Paramam Tvam Chintayamyanvagam Tvamisham Sharanam Rajami Vachasam Tvameva Yache Vivo Viksham Me Dishachakshushim Sakarunam Divyai Chiram Prarthitam Shambho Loka Guru Madiyam Masagam Saukyopadesham Kuru. Once more. Tatpadambujam Archayami Paramam Tvam Chintayamyanmaham Tvamisham Sharanam Rajami Vachasam Tvameva Yache Vibho Viksham Me Dishachakshushim Sakarunam Divyaihi Chiram Prarthitam Shambho Loka Guru Madhya Manasaham Saukyopadesham Kuru. I add a kind of an addendum to this because that is very important. That our mind always drawn towards bhakti. Shankara himself has said this in his Shivananda Lakari, Shloka number 20. I am including only the second half of that shloka. Kapalin Bhikshomem Hridaya Kapim Atyanta Chapalam Dridam Bhaktya Bhadva Shiva Bhavat Adhinam Kuru Vibho. Hey, Lord Shiva, my monkey mind is not obeying me. Please make it your servant. Make it your make it think of you. Kapalin Bhikshome Hridaya Kapim Atyanta Chapalam Dridam Bhaktya Bhadva Shiva Bhavadadhinam Kuru Vibho. For us, Shankaracharya has put it on himself to make this sloka. So that is number 35. 36, we go to Tamil now. Manikya Vaskar. Famous sloka. Vanahi, Mannahi, Valiyahi, Uliyahi, Unahi, Uyirahi, Unmayumai, Inmayumai, Konahi, Yan Yanadi Andre Avarabarai Kutatuanahi, Nindrayi, Yensolli Voltuvane. You should again, it's important to know the meaning. My entire Vedanta is here. Vanahi, Mannahi, Valiyahi, Uliyahi, Unahi, Uyirahi, Unmayumai, Inmayumai, Konahi, Yan Yanadi Yandre, Avarabarai Kutatuanahi, Nindraye, Yen Solli Voltuvane. Number 37. We go back to Bhagavatam, Gajendra Moksham Shloka, Skanda 8, chapter 3, Shloka 15. Namo namaste khilakaranaya, nishkaranaya, bhutakaranaya, sarvagamam naya mavarnavaya, namo pavargaya parayanaya. The Gajendra, the elephant, is praying. Namo namaste khilakaranaya, nishkaranaya, bhutakaranaya, sarvagamam naya maharnavaya, namo pavargaya parayanaya. That is 37. 38. 38 again is from Bhagavatam. This is from Dhruva Stuti. Dhruva, the little boy, actually sees the Lord appears before him after his tapas for 5.5 months. And Dhruva waxes eloquent by the grace of God. And this is the 12th sloka. This is the 10th sloka of 12 slokas that he praises the Lord with 12 slokas. Number 10. So this is number 38 for us. Tom Nitya Mukta Parishuddha Vibuddha Atma Kutastha Adi Purusho Bhagavan Stadisham Yadbudhyavastitim Akhanditaya Swadrishtya Drashta Sthita Adhimako Vyatirikta Aste. The main importance of the shloka is it is equivalent to the Gayatri. Those of you who have not been given the Gayatri by a formal Upadesha, of course, all ladies and probably many more, this is enough for you. Tvam Nitya Mukta Parishuddha Vibuddha Atma Kutastha Adi Purusho Bhagavan Stadishaham Yadbudhyavastiti Makanditaya Swadritya Drashtastita Vathimako Vyatirikta Se. Once more. Tvam Nitya Mukta Parishuddha Vibuddha Atma Kutastha Adi Purusho Bhagavan Stadishaham Yadbudhyavastiti Makanditaya Swadritya Drashtastita Adhimako Vyatirikta Se. That is 38. Now 39. From Narayaniyam. There's a long talk of Advaita everywhere. Why Advaita does not appeal to me, why I am not able to understand. This sloka tells you. Bhitirnama dvitiyat bhavati nanu manah kalpitam cha dvitiyam. Same line once more. Bhitirnama dvitiyat bhavati nanu manah kalpitam cha dvitiyam. Same line once more. Bhitirnama dvitiyat bhavati nanu manah kalpitam cha dvitiyam. Second line. Tenaikhyabhyasashilo hridayamiha yatha shakti buddhya nirundhyam. Second line once more. Tenaikhyabhyasashilo hridayamiha yatha shakti buddhya nirundhyam. Once more, second line. Tenaikhyabhyasashilo hridayamiha yatha shakti buddhya nirundhyam. Third line, maya vidhetu tasmin punarapi na tatha bhati maya dhinatam. Once more. Third line, maya vidhetu tasmin punarapi na tatha bhati maya dhinatam. Third line once more. Maya vidhetu tasmin punarapi na tatha bhati maya dhinatam. Last line, fourth line. Tattvam bhaktya mahatya satatam anubhajan ishabhikim vijahyam. Fourth line once more. Tattvam bhaktya mahatya satatam anubhajan ishabhikim vijahyam. Fourth line once more. Tattvam bhaktya mahatya satatam anubhajan ishabhikim vijahyam. Now the whole sloka once more, in my normal way. Bhitirnama dvutiyat bhavati nanumana kalpitam cha dvutiyam tenaikhyabhyasa shilo hridayamiha yata shakti buddhya nirundhyam maya vidhetu tasmin punarapi na tatha bhati maya dhinatam tattvam bhaktya mahatya satatam anubhajan ishabhikim vijahyam. Last for today. We go to ISKCON here. ISKCON likes this sloka. It is from Brahma Samhita. Advaitam achyutam anadim anantarupam adyam purana purusham navayavvanam vacha vedeshu durlabham adurlabham atma bhaktau govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami. Once more. Advaitam achyutam anadim anantarupam adyam purana purusham navayavvanam cha vedeshu durlabham adurlabham atma bhaktau govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami. That finishes today's quota. Thank you. Friends, we are going to have the fifth video in the series 63 prayers. We start with sloka number 41. Shri Krishna Radhavara Gokuleshe Gopala Govardhana Natha Vishnu Jihvepi Vaswamritameta Deva Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. This is once more. Shri Krishna Radhavara Gokuleshe Gopala Govardhana Natha Vishnu Jihvepi Vaswa Amritameta Deva Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. 42. Vatsalyad Abhayapradana Samayat Attatti Nirvapanat Audadyat Agasoshanat Aganita Sheyah Pada Prapanat Sevyaham Shripatihi Ekayeva Jagatam Yetecha Shakshakshinam Prakladascha Vibhishanascha Karirat Panchani Ahalya Dhruvaha. This is by Kureshacharya, disciple of Sri Ramanujacharya. From Arthatrana Parayana Stotram. Vatsalyadavaya pradana samayat Attatti nirvapanat Audatyat agasoshanat Aganita Shreyapada prapanat Sevya Shripatihi Ekayeva Jagatam Yete Shakshakshinam Prakladascha Vibhishanascha Karirat Panchalya Halya Dhruvaha. Next one is 43 from Ramanujacharya's Guru, Alavandar Stotram. Pitatvam, Matatvam, दयिततनयस्त्वं प्रियसुहृत् त्वमेव त्वं मित्रं गुरुरसि गतिश्चासि जगताम् त्वदीयः त्वद्भृत्यः तव परिजनः त्वद्गतिरहं प्रपन्नश्चैवं सति अहमपि तवैवास्मि हि भरः. Once more. पिता त्वं माता त्वं दयिततनयस्त्वं प्रियसुहृत् त्वमेव त्वं मित्रं गुरुरसि गतिश्चासि जगताम् त्वदीयस्त्वद्भृत्यः तव परिजनः त्वद्गतिरहं प्रपन्नश्चैवं सति अहमपि तवैवास्मि भरः. Next is number 44 from Kanakadhara Stotram of Adi Shankaracharya. It is also in Kalyana Vrishtishtava. Sampatkarani Sakalindriya Nandanani Samrajyadana Vibhava Niratani Sarorugakshi Tudvandanani Duritottaranatyatani Mameva Mataranisham Kalayantumanye. Sampatkarani Sakalindriya Nandanani Samrajya Dana Niratani Saroruhakshi Tudvandanani Duritodharanodjatani Mameva Mataranisham Kalayantumanye. 45. This is a bhajan in Vrindavan daily. Achyutam Keshavam Ramanarayanam Krishna Damodaram Vasudevam Karim Sridharam Madhavam Gopika Vallabham Janaki Nayakam Ramachandram Bhaje. Once more. Achyutam Keshavam Ramanarayanam Krishna Damodaram Vasudevam Karim Sridharam Madhavam Gopika Vallabham Janaki Nayakam Ramachandram Bhaje. Next is from Narayaniyam, a difficult sloka. Ganga Gita cha Gayatyapi cha Tulasika Gopika Chandanam Tati Salagrama Bhipuja Parapurusha Tataikadashi Namavarna Yetanyashtanya Ayatrانyapi Kadishamaye Tvatprasada Prasidhya Shipram Mukti Pradaniti Abhidaduhu Rishayah Teshumam Sajayetaha. Once more. Ganga Gita cha Gayatyepi cha Tulasika Gopika Chandanam Tati Salagrama Bhipuja Parapurusha Tata Ekadashi Namavarna Yetanyashtani Ayatrányapi Kadisamaye Tvatprasada Prasidhya Shipram Mukti Pradaniti Abhidadurshayah Teshumam Sajayetaha. That is 46. Now 47. Lakshmi Nrisimha Stotram by Shankaracharya. Karavalambana Stotram. Andasya me Hrita Viveka Mahadhanasya Chorai Prabho Balibihi Indriyanamadeyayi Mohandhakara Kuhare Vinipatitasya Lakshmi Nrisimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. Andasya me Hrita Viveka Mahadhanasya Chorai Prabho Balibihi Indriya Namadeyayi Mohandhakara Kuhare Vinipatitasya Lakshmi Nrisimha Mamadehi Karavalambam. The other one also, next one, 48, is also on Nrisimha. Lakshmi Pate Kamalanabha Suresha Vishnu Vaikunta Krishna Madhusudana Pushkaraksha Brahmanya-Keshavam Janardana Vasudeva Devesha Dehi Kripanasya Karavalambham. Once more. Lakshmipate Kamalanaba Suresha Vishnu Vaikunta Krishna Madhusudana Pushkaraksha Brahmanya-Keshav Janardana Vasudeva Devesha Dehi Kripanasya Karavalambham. 49 also is on Nrisimha, but it's a mantra. Ugram Viram Mahavishnum Jwalantam Sarvato Mukham Nrisimha Bhishanam Bhadram Mrityum Namamyaham. Once more. Ugram Viram Mahavishnum Jwalantam Sarvato Mukham Nrisimha Bhishanam Bhadram Mrityum Namamyaham. The last one today, number 50, is from Saundarya Lahari of Adi Shankaracharya. Japo jalpaham shilpam sakalamapi mudra virachanam gatihi pradakshinyakramanam ashanadyahuti vidhi pranamaham samveshaham sukham akilamapi atmarpanadrisham saparyapadyayam tava bhavatu yanme vilasitam. Once more. Japo jalpaham shilpam sakalamapi mudra virachanam gati pradakshinyakramanam ashanadyahuti vidhi pranamas samveshaham sukham akilamapi atmarpanadrisham saparyapadyayam tava bhavatu yanme vilasitam. Om Tat Sat for today. Well, friends, we are going to have the 6th video in the series 63 prayers of Professor V.K. Today it is going to be 51 to 63, the end, last. So 51 is from Andal Tirupavai in Tamil. Chitram Chirikale Vandunai Chevittu உன் பொற்றாமரை அடியே போற்றும் பொருள் கேளாய் பெற்றம்மை துண்ணும் குலத்தில் பிறந்து நீ குற்றேவல் எங்களை கொள்ளாமல் போகாது இற்றைப்பறை கொள்வான் அன்று காண் கோவிந்தா எற்றைக்கும் ஏழேழு பிறவிக்கும் உன் தன்னோடு உற்றோமேயாவோம் உனக்கே நாம் ஆட்செய்வோம் மற்றை நம் காமங்கள் மாற்றேனோர் எம்பாவாய். This is a famous Tirupavai, verse number 29 in Andal Tirupavai. Now we go slow. சிற்றம் சிறு காலே வந்துன்னை சேவித்து உன் பொற்றாமரை அடியே போற்றும் பொருள் கேளாய் பெற்றம்மைத்து உண்ணும் குலத்தில் பிறந்து நீ குற்றேவல் எங்களை கொள்ளாமல் போகாது இற்றைப்பறை கொள்வான் அன்று காண் கோவிந்தா எற்றைக்கும் ஏழேழு பிறவிக்கும் உன் தன்னோடு உற்றோமே ஆவோம் உனக்கே நாம் ஆட்செய்வோம் மற்றை நம் காமங்கள் மாற்றேலோர் எம்பாவாய். That is number 51. 52 is a well-known Sanskrit saying in the literature. Kashyam Maranan Mukti जननात् करणं कमलालये दर्शनात् अभ्रसरसै स्मरणात् अरुणाचलम्. Again, काश्यां मरणां मुक्तिः जननात् कमलालये दर्शनात् अभ्रसरसि स्मरणात् अरुणाचलम्. Then number 53, again Tamil, from Arunagirinathar, Kandar Anubhuti, 15th century. Girivai Viduvikramavel Irayon Parivaram Yenum Padam Mevalaye Girivai Manane Porayam Arival Arivai Adiodum Ahandaye. Once more. Kirivai Viduvikramavel Irayon Parivaram Yenum Padam Mevalaye. Purivai Manane Porayam Arival Arivai Adiodu Agandaye. That is number 53. 54 is again in Tamil to Lord Ranganatha of Srirangam from Periyalvar Tirumozhi. It is number 423 of Nalayira Prabondam. There are 4,000 such stanzas. This is one. துப்புடையாடை அடைவது எல்லாம் சோர் விளத்து துணையாவர் என்றே ஒப்பிலேன் ஆயினும் நின் அடைந்தேன் ஆனைக்கு நீ அருள் செய்தமையால் எய்ப்புவன் என்னை வந்து நெய்யும் போதும் அங்கு ஏதும் நான் உன்னை நினைக்க மாட்டேன் அப்போதைக்கு இப்போதே சொல்லி வைத்தேன் அரங்கத்து அரவணை பள்ளியானே. Once more. See the meaning, it will be interesting. துப்புடையோரை அடைவது எல்லாம் சோர்விடத்து துணை ஆவர் என்றே ஒப்பிலேன் ஆகிலும் நின் அடைந்தேன் ஆனைக்கு நீ அருள் செய்தமையால் எய்ப்பு வந்து என்னை நலியும் போது அங்கு ஏதும் உன்னை நான் நினைக்க மாட்டேன் அப்போதைக்கு இப்போதே சொல்லி வைத்தேன் அரங்கத்து அரவணை பள்ளியானே. That is 54. 55 is almost a Sanskrit version of the same thing by Kulashekara Alvar, another Alvar, Kulashekara Alvar. It is an unforgettable parallel between this and that. Krishna Todiya Padapankaja Panjarantam Adyaiva me Vishatu Manasarajaham Saham Pranaprayana Samaye Kapavada Pittaihi Kantavanodhana Vidau Smaranankotaste. The idea is the same, but each one has a different way of saying it. Once more, Krishna Tvadiya Padapankaja Pancharantam. I will repeat. Krishna Tvadiya Padapankaja Pancharantam Adyaiva me Vishatumana Sarajaham Saham. I will repeat. Adyaiva me Vishatumana Sarajaham Saham Pranaprayana Samaye Kapavada Pittaihi. Let me repeat. Pranaprayana Samaye Kapavada Pittaihi Kantavanodhana Vidau Smaranam Kutaste. Kantavanodhana Vidau Smaranam Kutaste. That is number 55. 56 is again in Tamil. This is from Nammalvar, Thiruvaimozhi. Shloka number 3554, 3554. Punara Nindra Maram Yel Andru Yeida Uru Vil Valava O Punar Ye Nindra Maram Irandin Naduve Pona Mudalva O Tinar Ar Megam Yana Kalidi Sherum திருவேங்கடத்தானே திணர் ஆர் சாரங்கத்து உன் பாதம் சேர்வது அடியேன் என்னாலே. Once more. புனரா நின்ற மரம் ஏழ் அன்று எய்த உருவில் வலவாவோ புனர் ஏய் நின்ற மரம் இரண்டின் நடுவே போன முதல்வா ஓ திணர் ஆர் மேகம் எனக் களிர் சேரும் திருவேங்கிடத்தானே திணர் ஆர் சார்ங்கத்து உன் பாதம் சேர்வது அடியேன் என்னாலே. When will I reach your feet? Divine feet is the question. The answer comes from Bhagavad Gita in the next sloka, number 47, from chapter 14, sloka 14. Yada sattve pravruddhetu pralayam yati dekhabhriti tadottama vidam lokan amalan pratipadyate. Once more. Yada sattve pravruddhetu pralayam yati dekhabhriti tadottama vidam lokan amalan pratipadyate. The next is number 58 from Gangashtakam of Sri Shankaracharya. You see, we are ending the list of prayers, so the last few things are all about the last moments. Matarjannavi Shambhusanga Valitam Maulau Nidhayanjalim Tvattire Vapusho Vasana Samaye Narayanam Gridhvayam Sanandam Smarato Bhavishyati Mama Prana Prayanotsave Bhuvya Bhakti Avichuta Harihara Advaitatmika Shashvati. Once more. Matarjannavi Shambhusanga Valite Maulo Nidhayanjalim Tvattire Vapusho Vasana Samaye Narayanam Gridhvayam Sanandam Smarato Bhavishyati Mama Prana Prayanotsave Bhuvya Bhakti Avichuta Harihara Advaitatmika Shashvati. That is 58. We go to 59. Appaya Dikshidhar was in Chidambaram. At the last moment, from his own house, he saw Lord Nataraja coming to him as a Jyoti. Abhati Hataka Sabha Natapada Padma Jyotirmayo Manasime Tarunarunoyam. That is what he said almost at the last words. Abhati Hataka Sabha Natapada Padma Jyotirmayo Manasime Tarunarunoyam. Later people saw him, his body enter the shrine almost at the same moment. He left his mortal body saying this. So we have the standard sloka which we should repeat in order to get that kind of a mortal end. Anayasena maranam vinadainyena jivanam dehi me kripaya shambho त्वयि भक्तिम अचंचलाम अनायासेन मरणम विना दैन्येन जीवनम देहि मे कृपया शंभो त्वयि भक्तिम अचंचलाम. Now I go to Lord Sri Ram, Valmiki Ramayana. Ram, you know, does the final aparakriya for Jatayu. So he sends Jatayu to great divine lokas. Sloka. Yagatir Yajnashila Nam. Valmiki Ramayana Sloka. Yagatir Yajnashila Nam. Ahitagne Chayagati. Aparavartinam Yacha. Yacha Bhumi Pradayinam. मया त्वं समनुज्ञातो गच्छ लोकान् अनुत्तमान् गृध्रराज महाप्रासत्व संस्कृतः स यः संस्कृतश्च मया व्रज। स्लो मोशन। या गतिः यज्ञशीलानाम् आहिताग्नेश्च या गतिः अपरावर्तिनां या च भूमिप्रदायिनां मया त्वं समनुज्ञातो गच्छ लोकान् अनुत्तमान् गृध्रराज महासत्व संस्कृतश्च मया व्रज। So that is number 60. 61 is Goswami Tulsidas ji Hanuman Chalisa. You will see the sloka now. तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख विसावे अंतकाल रघुवीर पुर जाई जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। Once more. तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख विसावे अंतकाल रघुवर पुर जाई जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। That is 61. 62 is the corresponding thing from Hanuman in Tamil. A famous sloka. Nobody knows who is the author, but it is there in Kambaramayanam as a preface. Kamba's prayer to Anjaneya. Anjile onru petran, Anjile onraitavi, Anjile onru aruaga, Aruyerka kayehi, Anjile onru petra, Anangai kandu ayalaruuril, Anjile onrai vaittan, Avan yammai alittu kaappan. Understand the meaning, it will be very interesting. Only Kamban can do this, but we don't know whether Kamban did this or somebody else. Anjile onru petran, Anjile onraitavi, Anjile onru aruaga, Aruyerka kayehi, Anjile onru petra, Anangai kandu, Ayalar uril, Anjile onrai vaittan, Avan yammai alittu kaappan. The last one, 63, is the Sanskrit sloka, standard sloka for Hanuman. Buddhir balam yasho dhairyam nirbhayatvam arogata ajadyam vakpatutvam cha hanumat smaranat bhavet. Once more. Buddhir balam yasho dhairyam nirbhayatvam arogata ajadyam vakpatutvam cha Hanumat smaranat bhavet. Om Tat Sat. Thank you.